Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve n plus 5 factorial by n plus 1 factorial is equals to 3024 and we have to find the value of n. So let's start with today's video solution. So according to factorial rule, n factorial is equals to n times n minus 1 factorial. So this n plus 5 factorial I can write it as n plus 5 times n plus 4 times n plus 3 times n plus 2 times n plus 1 factorial by n plus 1 factorial is equals to 3024. Now we can cancel out this n plus 1 factorial with n plus 1 factorial. So what is left? N plus 5 times n plus 4 times n plus 3 times n plus 2 times 3024. Now I can rearrange it as n plus 5 times n plus 2 and n plus 4 times n plus 3 is equals to 3024. Now if we multiply the brackets, so it gives us n square plus 2n plus 5n plus 10. And the another give us n square plus 3n plus 4n plus 12 is equals to 3024. Now overall n square plus 5n plus 2n is 7n plus 10 and n square plus 7n plus 12 is equals to 3024. Now I am considering this n square plus 7n plus 10 as 11 minus 1 and n square plus 7n plus 11 plus 1 is equals to 3024. Now n square plus 7n plus 11 as a and 1 as b. So it becomes a minus b and a plus b is equals to 3024. Now a minus b and a plus b is a square minus b square. So a square is n square plus 7n plus 11 whole square minus 1 square is equals to 3024. Now n square plus 7n plus 11 square is equals to, here this 1 square goes to other side plus 1. So n square plus 7n plus 11 whole square is equals to 3025. Now n square plus 7n plus 11 is equals to 3025. Here is the square, goes to other side, becomes square root, and it is a square root of 55. So n square plus 7n plus 11 is equals to 55 and n square plus 7n plus 11 is equals to minus 55. So first n square plus 7n plus 11 plus 55 goes to other side minus 55. So n square plus 7n plus 11 11 minus 55 is minus 44. It's equals to 0. 44, this is 7 and I can write it as 11n minus 4n minus 44 is equals to 0. If from first to term n is common, n plus 11, and if minus 4 is common, n plus 11 is equals to 0. Now n plus 11 is common, n minus 4, n is minus 11 and 4. Now this one, so n square plus 7n plus 11 plus 55 is equals to 0. So n square plus 7n plus 66 is equals to 0. So some quadratic equations. First we are going to check the discriminant, whether its real root exists or not. So b square is 7 square minus 4 times 1 times 66. So 49 minus 264, which is negative 215 less than 0. So no real roots exist. So the value of n is minus 11 and I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.